Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is 125th Constitutional Amendment Bill. Why in news? The Union Government is expected to take up the Constitution 125th Amendment Bill 2019, which aims to include autonomous councils under the ambit of the Finance Commission. The Bodoland Territorial Region, an autonomous administrative area in Assam, has called for its inclusion under Article 280 of the Indian Constitution to secure direct funding from the Union Government. About 125th Constitutional Amendment Bill. The Amendment Bill, introduced in Rajya Sabha in February 2019, seeks to grant greater financial, executive and administrative powers to autonomous councils by amending Article 280 of the Constitution. The bill seeks to empower the Finance Commission to recommend measures for augmenting the consolidated fund of 6th Scheduled states. Its goal is to supplement resources for 6th Schedule autonomous councils, village councils and municipal councils. The 6th Schedule provisions govern tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. The bill was referred to the Departmental Related Standing Committee on Home Affairs, which in 2020 flagged multiple issues in its report. Since then, the bill has remained pending, awaiting further action from the government. What is Bodoland Territorial Council's demand? Pramod Boro, Chief Executive Member of the Bodoland Territorial Council, recently emphasized the need for policy support and financial assistance to sustain peace and improve infrastructure in the region. The 2020 Bodo Peace Accord devolved more financial and administrative powers to BTC, leading to stability after years of insurgency. Speaking on the 5th anniversary of the Bodo Peace Accord, signed on 27 January 2020, Boro reiterated the demand for direct funding through Article 280 to bridge financial gaps and facilitate economic growth. About Bodoland Territorial Region. The BTR, formed under the 6th Schedule, comprises 5 districts: Kokrajhar, Chirang, Baska, Udalguri and the recently added Tamulpur. It spans 8,970 square kilometers and is home to over 31 lakh residents, including the Bodos, Assam's largest scheduled tribe. Constitutional and policy reforms. Article 280 of the Indian Constitution mandates the Finance Commission to recommend tax revenue distribution between the Union and states and grants for local bodies. If BTR is included, it would receive direct tax devolution and additional grants, providing the region with financial autonomy. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about Bodoland Territorial Region. Bodoland Territorial Region was formed under the 5th Schedule of the Indian Constitution. The Bodos, the largest scheduled tribe in Assam, primarily reside in Bodoland Territorial Region. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.